Hunter Customs here. Today we're actually going to be unboxing a new piece of equipment that I just invested in. It's by XTool. It's the M1 laser engraving machine. Seems like a really cool product. I've been doing some research online, really wanting to invest in, a laser engraving machine for my business. Just to do, just different things. Just trying to go outside and broaden my scope of customizing. But today, we're going to be unboxing it, showing you what's inside of the box. Later videos will show you actually how the product works. Show you some maybe some live stuff that you can actually check out, some live feed, and then see how the software is going. This company, I've been doing some research on, and talking to some people back and forth with some Facebook and some forums, and just kind of messaging back and forth with the company. So this company did not send this out to me for free to try out or anything like that. I paid out of my own pocket to try this product out, and hopefully it's something that will help my business, and actually help the channel and show you guys some new stuff that's out there, and hopefully it's something that you guys might want to invest in as well. But without further ado, let's get into it and let's unbox this thing.
All right, here we go, guys. Just to show you. Here's the box. This thing has not been opened. It is sealed up. A lot of unboxings, most of the time people have already cut the tape and they've really already went into it. Not today. Whatever's in this box is what you guys are going to see. Hell, there might be a cobra in here, I don't know. But if so, we'll unbox it together. Alright, you have to bear with me because using my other hand to actually run the camera. Just to show you. Yep. Alright, let's see what's in this thing. First off, it looks like it's packaged really well. So if you guys do ask, I did go with the upgraded version, the higher wattage, and it came with like a, I guess like a sampler packet that come with all this extra, kind of like these cricket pads to put vinyl and stuff on. Golly, this stuff's heavy. We'll open that up here in just a second. And actually picking this box up and just putting it in this room was not light. It probably weighs a good, I don't know, 35, 40 pounds. Spacer blocks. This is probably the rotary with the cups and stuff. Yep. I'll open that up in just a second. Material package. That looks like just the machine itself. I have to cut the camera for just a second, guys, and because I'm doing all this by myself, and get this out and we'll take a look at it. Alright, now that we got it out, basically you had the machine itself, just the styrofoam packing to keep it from getting messed up, and of course the stuff that was on top. So got some sort of styrofoam or plastic around it just to keep it from getting scratched up. We'll get into this in just a second, but kind of wanted to go into these boxes real quick. So this is, the material package. Let's see if we can actually cut it open real quick and take a look at it and see what all they put in here. Yes, instruction pamphlet, some sort of bag. Wooden squares, more wooden squares. Looks like you got different types of wood in here. Some MDF wood, and probably some, I'll just have to open it up, but several different types of, thinner types of wood. Go through some engraving on. Some wood planks. And a couple pieces of, looks like tile. Pretty neat stuff in here. Looks like that might be some, not sure what that is. Maybe some sample pieces of vinyl, and then we'll look at that in a little bit. But got some, looks like some metal necklaces with some circle looking pendants. Could probably do some engraving on. This reminds me of one of these, like a cell phone holder that you set your cell phone in. So this is probably the vinyl. Several sheets of vinyl. Try out. This, I'm not sure what this is. I don't know if you guys watching this video and you know exactly what this is. I mean, I'll look and try to do some research and post it later, but I don't have a clue what that is. This is everything in the material package right here. Pretty sure that this is going to be okay, so these are the little blocks. They're like rods, but I think they're like triangle shaped, and that's what you would lay your material on to space it up, to keep it from just actually laying directly on the mat. So these are the rods in there that you actually lay down and help space some of your material from laying on the bottom. And these will be the spacing blocks to actually lift up your machine. So when you're using the rotary tool, you can, I guess, set your laser for the focus, the right focus to do your engraving and stuff on. Let's check this thing out. Oh yeah, that's, yep, definitely it. Alright guys, we're going to put the machine up and pull up on the table. Alright, before I decided to put it up there, I was kind of like, where is the power cord? And notice it wasn't in any of these boxes and any of the other hookups, so took the plastic off, and we've actually got a lot more stuff in here apparently. Little thank you note. Looks like some more material. Little dog tag. Exhaust vent, or the hose for it. Clamp for the hose. And the actual vent for it itself, and it goes on the back. Power cord, power brick, USB, the 45 cutting tool, that's going to be for your vinyl and stuff, and probably some leather. Not sure what this is. Probably the screws for the exhaust vent. More material. I will say this, that they really did package this thing really well. Keep things from moving around in shipment. I'm really impressed with that. Some more pads for your vinyl. Yeah, just gonna take a look in here. So after getting everything out, this is kind of what was in the box itself. This is sort of my setup that I'm going to have here once I get everything hooked up. And of course, the window that you'll need to vent it out, unless you do I think they got like an air purify system that you can buy. But yeah, this is kind of where my setup's going to be at, along with some other things that I've got in here as well. But if you guys like the video, hey, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, help the channel. Hopefully next video we'll be showing the actual software, what you can use to do you know, some cutting and some engraving, and you know, we'll show some videos of that as well. But you know, biggest thing is that if there's something in this video that I didn't explain right, that it may be wrong, let me know. Like I said, I'm learning on this. This is all new, you know, stuff to me, so any help that I could get would be greatly appreciated. But until then, we'll see you guys next time.